Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel, CB and Ham Radio Depot. Today we are doing a little short video on a set of Browning Golden Eagle Mark IVs that I have just got done restoring. And these are a nice unit. I had to do quite a bit to these. The transmitter needed some tubes. Had to change all the lights, even the channel displays, change those. The receiver has new lights here on the mode and band switch. These things are a different breed of cat, that's for sure. This one turned out real nice. We're not going to go into a great deal of how-to on this. I think everyone's pretty much familiar with the Brownings. They all pretty much work the same. There's some good videos out there on some how-tos. Tram Doctor and some of those guys, they do some nice videos. And anyway, this particular unit here, it's been tested from channel 1 to channel 60, and it seems to, on the receiver, seems to work really nice. Of course, it's 40 channel. Anyway, the output on this thing is kind of an audio beast on AM, and it's pegging 20 watts. It's on the 20 watt scale right now on normal peaks, so it's doing quite well. It does the same on sideband. So the radio's really healthy. New driver, new final. It does real well. Also, I redone a Browning 776 microphone. It has a few marks on it, but it works really well. Good element. The amp board I had to replace the amp board in it. So anyway, if you all are looking for a Mark IV, this one is a nice one. There will be another one I'm working on. It will be done probably this week. So there will be 2 of them. So anyway, thanks for watching our video, and come see us at CB and Ham Radio Depot and look at what we have. Thank you.